Hi, this is Justin Karskadin with the Anderson Real Estate Group. We're here congratulating Cary and Gabby on closing their first home in Long Beach, California. We had a struggling escrow, but they managed to stay through it and hold strong and managed to get through it together. So congratulations, Cary, Gabby. Anything you guys want to say?
Gabby. Thanks. Me on the spot first. It was just awesome working with Justin. Thank you for being so patient and finding actually what we like. That was just amazing, and helping us through the whole process, especially since this is our first time. It was just really great.
Very cool.
I like the biggest part that I would like to point out is from start to finish. It's always been a very, very good representation of good customer service from the moment we met. I remember leaving commenting saying that he met us there. He gave us really, really good customer service. Was really nice to us.
And he wasn't pushy.
It wasn't pushy. Made you feel comfortable. So I wouldn't have had it any other way. It was the best experience ever. It's a really good experience.
Awesome. Congratulations, guys. Here's your key. In a ceremony, we ring the bell as a successful closing. And congratulations. Awesome. So, good luck, guys, and we'll be in touch.
She's like, you guys so noisy. Look.
We're cuckoo.
We just look.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, guys. Congratulations. When it's done, I'm definitely going to check out the place. And,
I was going to say, you got to stop by.
And then you guys ring the bell.